morning, everyone. This is the Zoom report of Group 5 about laws related to traffic management. Republic Act number 10913, Anti-Destructive Driving Act. Republic Act number 10913 penalizes destructive driving, especially the use of mobile phones and gadgets while driving. It was approved on July 21, 2016. Ang batas na ito ay nagpaparusa sa mga driver na nagiging sanhi ng traffic or accident, lalong-lalo ng paggamit sa gadgets habang nagmamaneho. Important sections and provisions. Section 1, short title, known as the Anti-Destructive Driving Act. Section 2, Declaration of Policy. The state protects citizens from accidents caused by destructive driving act. Gayon ng mga gobyerno na protektahan ang mga mamayan mula sa mga aksidente na dulot ng hindi pagtutok ng pagmamaneho sa kalsada.
Section 3, Definition of Terms, Mobile Communication Devices, Motor Vehicle, Motorist, Electronic Entertainment Devices. First, mobile communication devices. These are gadgets used to talk, send message, or connect to others. Example are mobile phones, tablets that can make calls and texts. Second, motor vehicle. This means any vehicle that runs on an engine or motor like cars, motorcycles, truck, buses, and other vehicles used on the road. The third is motorist. This is simply the person driving or operating the motor vehicle, in short, the driver. Or electronic entertainment devices. These are gadgets used for fun, watching or playing, such as portable game, console, video player, or anything used to watch video, play games, or listen to media while inside the vehicle. This definition tells us what devices are covered, what vehicles are included, who the rule applies, and to what kinds of gadgets are restricted. Section 4, Distracted driving, prohibited acts while driving. Texting, calling using handheld phones, watching videos, browsing the internet, using gadgets while the vehicle is moving, or stop or at a traffic light. First, texting. You cannot type, read or send text messages or emails using any devices while driving. 2, calling using handheld phones. You are not allowed to hold your phone while making or answering calls. If you need to call, you must use hands-free mode or pull over safety first. Watching video, video clips, or any kind of content is forbidden. It takes your eyes and attention off the road. 4, browsing internet. Going online, checking social media website, or anything internet activity is prohibited. 5, using gadgets while moving or stop at a traffic light. This is very important. Even if you are waiting at a red light or stuck in traffic, you still cannot use devices. All these acts are banned because they cause distraction. They take your eyes off the road, your hands off the wheel, or your mind away from driving safely. Distracted driving is one of the top causes of accident.
Section 5, Extent of Coverage. Ito yung batas ay para sa mga lahat ng sasakyan na tumatakbo. Like sasakyan pansarili, sasakyan pampasahero, motorsiklo, bisikleta at iba pang sasakyan. Section 6, ito naman yung mga pwede at hindi bawal. Pinapayagan lang gamitin ng cellphone habang nagmamaneho. Kung ang gamit ay hands-free, hindi hawak sa kamay, tumatawag dahil sa sakuna o emergency. Tapos, emergency vehicles. Ikaw ay nakasakay sa iyong sasakyan pang emergency tulad ng pulis, ambulansya, bombero.
Section 8, Penalties. Penalties include first offense, 5K. Second offense is 10K. Third offense is 15K plus suspension for third offense. Ito yung hindi mo magagamit yung license mo. And pang fourth, 20K plus revision of fourth offense. Totally na mawawalan ka na talaga na license.
Republic No. 10586. This is the Anti-Drunk and Drug Driving Act, penalizing driving under influence of alcohol and drugs. Ito yung batas na laban sa mga driver na nagmamaneho habang lasing o nakagamit umano ng ipinagbabawal na gamot. Layunin nitong maiwasan ang anumang uri ng aksidente at mapanatili ang kaligtasan sa kalsada. Ang sino mang mahuling lumalabag dito ay maaaring pagmultahin, makulong o mawalan ng lisensya sa pagmamaneho. Importance, sections, and provisions. Section 4. Prohibited acts. Drives cannot drive while under influence of alcohol. Bawal ka daw mag-drive habang ikaw ay lasing or nakainom. Drive while under influence of dangerous drugs or intoxicating substances. Bawal ka din daw mag-drive kung ikaw ay nakagamit ng pinagbabawal na gamot. 3. Refuse to undergo drug alcohol testing when required. Ito yung yung bawal ka tumanggi sa pag-drug testing, ganon, yung etc.
Section 5, mandatory testing drives involves in accident or caught violating traffic laws must submitted or to testing. Sinasabi dito na ang mga driver na nasangkot sa isang aksidente o lumabag sa mga batas trapiko ay obligadong sumailalim sa pagsusuri gaya ng drug o alcohol test. Penalties: first offense, 20,000 plus 3-month suspension. Second offense, 30,000 plus 6-month suspension. Third offense, 40,000 plus 1-year suspension. And fourth offense, 50,000 plus permanent revocation. If injury or death occurs, prison term plus permanent revocation. That concludes the report of Group 5 regarding laws related to traffic management. And here are a few questions. What is the official title of Republic Act No. 1058-6A, Anti-Distracted Driving Act, Anti-Drunk and Drug Driving Act, C. Clean Air Act, D. Seatbelts Use Act. Number 2, which of the following is not a prohibited act under Section A, under influence of alcohol, B, driving under influence of dangerous drugs, C, refusing to undergo alcohol drugs testing, D, driving with a valid driver's license. Number 3, when a driver is required to undergo mandatory alcohol drug testing, A, only when involved in a fatal accident, B, if involved in an accident or caught violating traffic laws, C, only when requested by a passenger, D, every time they drive on the highway. 4, what is the penalty for the second offense? A, 20,000 plus 3-month suspension, B, 30,000 plus 6-month suspension, C, 40,000 plus 1-year suspension, D, 50,000 plus permanent revocation. Number 5, what penalty is given for the fourth offense? A, 40,000 fine plus 6-month suspension. B, 50,000 fine plus permanent revocation of license. C, prison term only. D, 20,000 plus warning.
What is the official name of Republic Act number 10913? A. Anti-Drunk and Drug Driver Act. B. Anti-Distracted Driving Act. C. Seatbelts Use Act. D. Traffic Safety Act. 7. When was this law approved? A. June 15, 2015. B. July 21, 2016. C. August 30, 2017. D. May 5, 2018. Which of the following is not a prohibited act while driving? A. Texting or calling using handheld phones. B. Watching videos or browsing the internet. C. Using gadgets while the vehicle is moving or stopped at traffic lights. D. Wearing seatbelts while driving. 9. What is the penalty for a first offense? A. 10,000. B. 15,000. C. 5,000. D. 20,000. 10. What happens on a fourth offense? A. 15,000 fine plus suspension of license. B. 20,000 fine plus revocation of license. C. 10,000 fine plus warning. D. 5,000 fine plus 3-month suspension.
True or false? 11. The law applies only to private vehicles and does not cover motorcycles or bicycles. 12. Using hands-free devices, making emergency calls, and using emergency vehicles are allowed exemptions. 13. The provision on using gadgets applies only when the vehicle is moving, not when it is stopped at traffic lights. 14. The main policy goal of the state is to protect citizens from accidents caused by distracted driving. And 15. The penalty for a third offense is 15,000 plus suspension of the driver's license.
16.
Republic Act No. 10586 penalize driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. 17. Refusing to undergo drug or alcohol testing is allowed and not a prohibited act. 18. Third offense penalty is 40,000 fine plus 1 year suspension of license. 19. If the offense results in injury or death, the penalty is only a fine and suspension. And 20. Mandatory testing applies to drivers involved in accident or caught violating the traffic laws. And that's all.